Morning everyone, I am looking so fresh. I am cream crackered. I didn't sleep particularly well. I had a lot of pain in the night thanks to Betsy plopping herself on me, and which meant I slept on my back, which caused agony when I turned over. But you know, we suffer for our creatures, don't we? I am looking so gorgeous because I'm just about to do the dreaded hair dye. My Sunday morning radio recommendation is Ed Gamble and Matthew Crosby on Radio X. They are absolutely hilarious and give me a good chortle in the morning. We are waiting for Tesco to come, and I'm cunningly hoping that they'll come while I've got hair dye on and Ian can deal with it all. Never let it be said that I am vain or afraid of looking silly. I have dyed my hair, the shopping's come, I unloaded it, and then Ian's packing it into the fridge because he is a very nice man. I'm going to let this cook for half an hour, wash it off, and then condition it and then dry it. It's going to take bloody forever. Hopefully in the middle of that I can have the chance to do a little bit of wongling. I might get those two dresses out and look at adjusting the shoulders, or I might just put those on one side and cut something new out because I just feel the need to create something that fits me. And I do really want to make those McCall's dungarees that are from the same pattern as the jeans that I was wearing the other day, so we'll see. Scenes of domestic bliss here at Trotwood Towers. Ian's defrosting the freezer and I am editing yesterday's vlog. Here's Ian modelling the trousers I made him for Christmas last year, which he didn't truly appreciate until I told him how expensive the fabric was. I'm editing my vlog and Betsy's just sitting next to me helping me. We are just listening to Christmas songs and ordering our Christmas dinner. Thank you, Tesco. What are we doing? We did the order. Well, Ian's going to finish it off and put it all in the basket and check it out because I lost the will to live with it. Look, I've got Betsy on my legs. How do I move? She's too cute. Anyway, I need to get up and wash this conditioner off my hair, have a shower, and then dry and straighten my hair. Okay, this is a delicate operation. You just hang on there, Bets. Lost a slipper. Sometimes I lose a sock. Success! The cat is unbothered. Right, the hair is finally going to get dried and straightened. Phase 1 complete. As you can see, my hair is very frizzy and bushy. I look like a bad metal rocker from the 80s. So the next phase is to straighten it with my trusty GHDs. My life changed when they invented GHDs. That is me done. I've straightened my fringe as well as I can, and I've curled my hair as well as I can, and I've trimmed my fringe, and I am now absolutely knackered and I'm going to go and have a big sleep. Good evening everyone, Trotwood's on the hot boot. Ian's sitting on the settee in his little spot.
Hello.
And I'm just chilling out after my busy day doing my hair, which seems to take all day. Really took it out of me. I had a sleep until 5 o'clock. I was absolutely bang out. And yeah, we just had dinner and watched The Apprentice. And I recorded my review of December's Birder, so that will be with you very, very shortly. Until then, kisses from Camden. Bye!